Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Welcome back. So, we had some nice people send me some lights. A little damage in the corner. Doesn't look too bad. And the deal was I get the lights for free if I review them and put a link so that you can buy some if you want. And I'll tell you this up front, I can get you 15% off, so I'll put that in the description. But here we go. Ta-da! We got gloves. I think Mickey Mouse has lost a hand. Okay. We got a little bag, zip ties, O-rings, and a wrench. I'm not sure what the wrench is for. We'll have to keep digging. We have instructions. There's a lot of instructions for changing a light bulb. It's not bad. It goes for every light bulb that they sell is in here. 9004. 9003, H3. We've got the 9006. No, 9005 here. Okay. Then we have the light bulbs themselves on a string. I want to be careful not to touch the lens itself. There's a little fan in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's get the old 2 pins. Hopefully they match up. Let's get the old ones out. Then we'll come back to these. Okay, they say that this is it's a 98 Chevy. We're going to put them in here, but we got to take this out to get to the back of the light. There is the brightness of the factory high beam bulb. Okay, so there's our brightness on the factory bulb. Okay, so while I'm wrenching on this, why don't we take a quick ride down the street to see what the factory bulbs look like going down the road. To get this out, you got to release this little catch. Okay. To get the bulb out, quarter turn to the left, and a step to the right.
It's just a jump to the left.
There's our old bulb. Let's go compare. Here's our old bulb. Here's our new bulb. And I want to make sure that the plug is right. There's grooves inside on the roof up here. This one does not have the grooves. Alright, let's do a test fit. I think we're alright. Oh wait, this has got bumps on both sides. How do I know the polarity? That's what those grooves are for. Polarity. Wait for that damn dog to stop barking. It's a little wiggly, but it's on the rubber, so I think we're alright. The question is, which way does this go? It's got positive and negative on here, so I'm going to guess that the black is going to be the negative. So we'll put it on this way. Let's see if I got the polarity right. I got the polarity right. Okay, so we did this test before. Let's do it again. factory. New one. And both. It's a big difference. Big difference. Let's put this back in. There's a hole down here that has to line up. There we go. That's it. Headlights back in. And do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty then. Okay, I got black on the right, negative on the right. Make sure it works before we shove it back in the hole. All done. That easy. It says a big difference. Low beams, high beams are definitely brighter. Okay, so I did want to point out that there is a it looks like a 24-month, it's a 2-year warranty. It's not too bad. I am apparently a salesman for this product now. So if you would like one, there will be a link in the description. Probably put a couple links in there because there's a couple different types of bulbs. I'm hoping that we can test the 9006s next. Those are the low beams. And the 9007s, which would be for my Ford. So we'll see what happens. Well, obviously we're waiting for darkness so that we can go test those, but we didn't need any of this, so I guess that's good. I suppose if you had a different make or a different year maybe, you might need these. Still don't know what the Allen wrench is for. Maybe it has something to do with that fan, I don't know. Alright, well, old ones are out, new ones are in. I'm going to save the box because it's a really nice box. And let's go for a ride. Recording now?
No.
Right. Low beams, high beams.
Holy crap. Yeah, I think they work well.
They're better focused than I thought they'd be too. Low beams.
Whoa! Oh no, I'm never gonna want low beams now.
And high beams.
Holy shit. I better not forget to leave them on when I...
Oh, hello.
Yep. Holy crap. I love them.
Now we gotta get the low beams so you can actually see when you're driving.
I know, that's pretty pathetic. That's really, really bad.